Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I'm going to check out some of the best Black Friday deals going on at your local Walmart. If you're interested, I'll have links for a lot of these items down below so you can check them out there. But without further ado, let's dive in. So guys, wanted to first start with some of these smaller hand tools here by Hyper Tough. You can see all these different options right here for $5. Great thing to just have in your pouch or in your vehicle, or maybe even give to someone for a gift. We have just some Allen wrench sets, also some tape measures, and this little small knife set here, little precision knife set. And then a magnifying glass, some small pliers, and then even a little metallic plate there, and some screwdrivers as well. So again, pretty good deals for $5. We move up to the $10 items here. You got some plier sets, little precision option right here, precision toolkit. You need some of these for working on, just small stuff like that. Got the brush cleaning sets here, 4-piece. I do like this little stubby set right here. This is a great option, again, just to keep in your truck, or another great gift for someone. We also have the ratcheting screwdriver there. I think it's another great deal, especially for $10. A lot of people can use that just in a bunch of different DIY scenarios and options there. Then we have a few more just fun little small items right here. We have a laser line torpedo level, also a little magnetic wristband if you're working on projects. I have one of these hammer multi-tools. They work really well. And then a couple other just fun, small DIY items, maybe presents or kind of things like that. I also love this universal socket and adapter. I've used that on multiple projects and has worked really well. And then also this little flashlight and grabber as well. So bunch of cool little small DIY items you can check out while you're here. And then also a good deal on this pressure washer. And I also wanted to show you just a few of the other items I found online for the Black Friday sale. So to get it started, we got some basic little power drill right here. Pretty good price. $31. Get a drill, get some batteries, all these other items right here. That's a pretty good option there. I mean, 31 bucks for a drill. I mean, it's probably a solid brand there. Solid option. I don't know about the great brand, but overall, I think it's good. You can give it a shot. Work Pro, I've used a lot of their tools. I actually have a lot of their tools they've sent me to review. I need to put them on the channel. I'll try to do that. But 150-piece auto repair toolkit, pretty good option there. 40 bucks. Always great to grab some straps, some smart straps. Never tried those, but looks cool. Got a little household toolkit. Great gift, little DIY thing. I didn't know they even carry these, but they carry some Milwaukee stuff here. Great little thing you can get. Impact wrench. I mean, 130 bucks. That's pretty good for a Milwaukee wrench. Then we got some just kind of portable generic tools. Check those out. Also, 198-piece tool set. Another good probably option to have around the house. We actually have some very similar to that at work, and it's okay. Works fine. It's a good thing for basic DIY, but you will need your good set of tools. The 4 toolkit here. Get the circular saw, reciprocating saw, a drill, and then a light, which I don't love, but not a bad price right there. 300 bucks for DeWalt. There is the Ironton screwdriver set with rack. Seen this at very similar deal at Tractor Supply with JobSmart. But overall, I think it's a great thing. You can grab right there. Again, got a lot of different options, features, got some bits and all kind of stuff like that. So 20 bucks, good deal on that. Then we have the DeWalt wrench, $100 for the impact wrench. Again, solid deal right there, especially with DeWalt. We also, again, just have some more kind of random deals here. Work Pro, I've used this drill and this little set works pretty well. 40 bucks, pretty good deal for that. A little Work Pro miter saw stand, portable workbench. That's pretty cool right there. I like that. I might have to try to get that and review it. Also, Makita, 60 bucks. I think the same price at Tractor Supply there. Never tried this set, but 26 bucks. Little MIG welder machine here, 134. Get a little helmet here for welding, 50 bucks on that. A drill press here, 80 bucks. Pretty good price for a drill press there. Also have a small little circular saw here, 90 bucks, pretty good price. Milwaukee ratchet, I mean that's great right there, 70 bucks. Works, I've used their brand, or they've done a pretty good job. I like these little small drills here to be using, fix stuff around the house. Black & Decker, another, solid old school brand there. Another good DeWalt option here. Then we have another Work Pro, similar to like a little Dremel, 40 bucks, pretty good price for that. Sledgehammer, solid deal right there. Then a couple other items. Again, another Makita item. That's pretty good price for Makita there. So good price on that. And also have a Bosch laser level here. Pretty good deal. Ironton, again, we've seen this brand other places. 14 bucks. Pretty good deal right there. Some screwdrivers. Another MIG welder. 300 bucks. We get, again, just a little Black & Decker box. Got some Bosch tools. Pretty good price. 100 bucks there. Sawhorses. Even a little charger here, 40 bucks. DeWalt, another good deal. Brushless, 70 bucks here. Got some more items. Another Makita, or excuse me, the Metabo here for $27.92. So again, that's an incredible price. I don't know if it comes with the battery, probably doesn't, but that's a great price, especially with Metabo. You can get some batteries and stuff like that at Home Depot, but that's a great price for that. Got some batteries here for Milwaukee. Man, 70 bucks for those. Pretty good deal. Greenworks, solid brand right there. Get some drill bits, 100 bucks. Another option right here for Milwaukee battery. Even the Bosch woodworking set here, pretty good for $120. Then we have a few more just home improvement deals we wanted to show you guys. I think are pretty good here. The Hart 6-gallon shop vac here for 40 bucks. That is a great price right there. So if you're looking for a shop vac, solid option there. Little battery jumper, recommend these all the time. These are great. Right under 90 bucks. Good one to check out. Saw these generators on sale. Want to point these out. This one is 300 bucks. Now it's not huge, again, so it's only the 2500 watt, but if it's, something or nothing, I think this is a great one to look into. Then we have the 12,000 watt dual fuel option here, down to $750. I think that's a really good price, especially for that size. I mean, that's a big one. You can do a lot of stuff with that. Always great to have some storage. Might even grab these ourselves for some stuff in the garage and in the new shed. Another car battery jumper right here. Pretty good price. Never tried that one. I have a bunch of these now around the house, and they work really well. I like them a lot. Under cabinet lights, so if you're going to be doing some of those, you can grab some. We've seen some of the tools, but want to go through other stuff here. Just a couple little tire inflator. These are great. I got one, works really well. And then we have the EcoFlow portable power station. I mean, again, great price. These are great brands. I mean, you get to save almost 90 bucks. So if you want to grab one of those, again, lifesaver kind of in when you need it for power going out. Couple other good items wanted to point out to you guys. Another little electric pressure washer here. Not really strong, but again, a great one to kind of have. 75 bucks, hard to beat that price. We also have a little storage closet. I have one of these in my garage. I like it a lot. Pretty good price at $120 there. Hard to beat that. Again, these are great, for just extension cords and being able to plug multiple things into them. Be really careful when you use them, though. And another tire inflator. Check that one out. We saw this DeWalt a few minutes ago. Like I said, here's some more lights. So if you like these for outside and stuff like that. And I like these for plug-ins. We have some of these in our house. Pretty cool. And it has a little, night light on the bottom, which is nice there. Also, we got this right here. Exact same cord. Really like it. Really use it to plug in a lot of like similar items. We're charging the kids' cars or charging their little motorcycle kind of things. And it has worked really well. So that's a great thing to check out. We see a few more items that I want to point out. This little kitchen pantry down to $150. That's great. Don't tell my wife about that one because she would probably want to grab it. And then I think this is cool. Another storage item on some rollers right there would be really nice. And then again, they have a lot of these heaters. I'm not really pointing them out, but great thing to grab right now if you need some heaters. I mean, that one right there, you save 150 bucks. That's pretty good. But also, a lot of my friends were wanting to get this. I mean, this is probably a great time to get this. The Jackery option here down to $450. Great price on that one. A little multimeter. Always great to have some of these. 12 bucks. Great price. Pick that up. And then we see a few more heaters and different things like that. A little extension cord there, pretty good price. Electric sprint spin scrubber, if you're going to be cleaning a lot of things, maybe your vehicle, or if there's hard to reach places. I have a very similar one to this. Works fine for us. And we see, again, right here, another option for the solar power generator. So that's a good price, $7.50 for that one. Always great to grab. That's a cool little portable air conditioner. Might have to get something like that. We've seen these tools earlier. Again, pretty good deals on these. Then we see another good item right here, dehumidifier, if you need to grab one of those for the shop or garage. Another portable power station here, $120. You get to save $30, which is great. But again, if this is one that you need, great thing to check out. I know my friend has something very similar, and he uses it all the time. Just for charging stuff, when he's driving or riding around or even things like that. Little ice plunge, need one of those. More tools. I think this right here, this little mini toolbox, these are really popular right now. You've seen them at multiple different stores and multiple different brands, so you can check that one out. And then again, air purifiers, great idea. I've heard, a lot of people love these 3D printers now, right there. Pretty good thing to check that out. $279, pretty good price. You get to save $500. That's crazy. Stanley. These are great brand. Check that one out. You got some racks if you need them. And then another one here for Porter cable, which I guess everybody's selling Porter cable now. More tools. We've seen a lot of the tools already, but just want to show you guys a lot of these items, flashlights, and then a couple other fun stuff like that. Then we have this little wireless weather system, kind of fun little gift for dads there. Another light, I like my garage light, very similar to something like this. Pretty good price right there for right under $20. So if you need one, it's a great one to check out. Also, just a bunch of other, you can just kind of see a bunch of other fun deals. Another rolling kind of cart right there, great thing. If you're going to be changing stuff out, you can check this item out. Kind of expensive. You can get better prices than that at Home Depot. But a bunch of different options there, and even little ground prongs here, different options. Like I mentioned, that's a pretty good deal right there for Milwaukee. Some timers, indoor plug timers there, and then again, even little stuff. And here's the socket light fan. If you guys have used one of these, let me know. I'm pretty interested to kind of see how these work. People like them or not. I haven't heard a lot of people using them. Here's another generator. This is the 4,000 watt dual fuel generator. Again, pretty good deal right there. So if you're interested, you get to save $300 on that one. Next, we got some gloves right here. If you need to grab some of those gloves, get to save $360 on that. Again, we've seen a lot of these tools, but again, just checking out some other fun DIY items. You can check this little option out right here. Get to save some money on that. $6 on that one. Another Porter cable, little shop vac there. So another good deal on that. And then we see another shop vac here. Basic shop vac. 10-gallon, pretty large, $92. Decent price there. Another kind of insert right there. Another shop vac here, $180. Kind of expensive. Again, it's the 12-gallon, a little bit larger as well, but a little expensive for that. SK hand tools. Okay, got some hand tools. SK got some tools over here at Walmart too. Man, everybody's selling at Walmart. More hand tools here. Again, another Makita option there. So got some pretty good deals on Makita and even Bosch and Milwaukee. So everybody's selling over here now. And again, a nice little plug-in charger and option right there. But I think there's some great deals going on right now, the Black Friday deals at Walmart. You can check home improvement deals, tools, also electrical power, all these kind of great things. And I'll have some of these links in the description below. So if you're interested, you can check them out there. But again, I think there's some great deals, especially on a lot of these DIY and tools and stuff like that right now. Walmart, so you can go grab you some. But if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.